Welcome dear students to PNMR e-learning classes. So today we shall start with the new chapter of moral science, that is chapter number 11, the third guru. To achieve success in life, one has to concentrate on one thing at a time. Therefore, to realize one's dreams, one should take up that idea, eat that idea, dream that idea and sleep that idea. Be that idea and you will meet the success. So here, this is a story of Guru Amar Das. Guru Amar Das, the third of the 10 gurus of Sikhs, was a religious Vaishnav who spent most of his life performing ritual pilgrimage and fast of a devout Hindu. It was only after he met Guru Angad Dev, the second Sikh Guru, that he took to Sikhism and became the Guru at the age of 73, succeeding him. Guru Amar Das served Guru Angad Dev so well that he decided to name him the next Guru instead of one of his sons. Guru Angad Dev's son Dattu, however, proclaimed himself as the Guru at Khadur after his father's death and proceeded to Goindwal to confront Guru Amar Das. Seeing Guru Amar Das seated on the throne by his followers, Dattu said, "You were a mere menial servant of the house until yesterday. How dare you style yourself as the Guru?" He even kicked the 73-year-old Guru, throwing him off his throne. However, Guru Amar Das in all humility started caressing Dattu's foot and said, "I am old, my bones are hard. You may have been hurt." As demanded by Dattu, Guru Amar Das left Goindwal the same evening and returned to his native village, Basarke. Not only did he vacate the throne and left the place, but he decided to shut himself in a small house for solitary meditation and affixed a notice on the front door saying, "He who opens this door is no Sikh of mine, nor I am his Guru." However, a delegation of faithful Sikhs led by Baba Buddha found the house and, adhering to the notice outside, cut through the walls to reach the Guru. Baba Buddha said, "The Guru, being a supreme yogi, cares for nothing in the world, neither fame, nor riches, nor a following. But we cannot live without his guidance. Guru Angad has tied up to your apron. Where should we go now if you are not to show us the way?" Guru Amar Das was so overwhelmed by their devotion that he returned to Goindwal, while Dattu, having been unable to gather any followers of his own, returned to Khadur. Guru Amar Das got a Bauli. Bauli is a deep water reservoir which is dug with 84 steps, as the Hindus believe in reincarnation in 84,100,000 lives. According to Guru Amar Das, whoever would descend the 84 steps for a bath while reciting the Japji Sahib of Guru Nanak would be freed from the cycles of birth and death. When the time to choose his successor came, Guru Amar Das did not consider his own two sons, Mohan and Mohini, but he made his son-in-law Jetha the next Guru and renamed him as Ramdas, meaning the servant of God. Guru Amar Das breathed his last on the full moon day of Badon in 1574 at the ripe old age of 95. So children, in this chapter you can see that Guru Amar Das was the third of 10 Guru of Sikhs, and he was also known as the religious Vaishnav who spent most of his life performing the ritual and the fast as a devout Hindu. So he was the disciple of Guru Angad Dev, that is the second Guru, Sikh Guru you can say. He took to Sikhism and became the Guru at the age of 73. And when he was considered as the Guru, Guru Angad Dev's son Dattu, he proclaimed that he was the next Guru, and what he did, he said to Guru Amar Das that "You are only a servant to our house till yesterday," and he thrown him out of his throne. After that, Guru Amar Das left Goindwal the same evening and he returned to his village Basarke. So after that, what happened? He vacated the throne and left the place, but he decided to shut himself in a small house for a solitary meditation, and he affixed the notice saying that he who opens the door is no Sikh of mine and nor I am his Guru. So the Guru always, you can see, is a supreme yogi. The Guru cares for nothing in the world, neither fame, nor riches, or any of the following. But without Guru, we cannot live, and without his guidance, we cannot have success in our lives. So Guru Angad has tied up to your apron. Where should we go now if you are not to show us the way? So these sentences are said by his disciples who came to his village. Next, what happened? By seeing this devotion from their disciples, he was overwhelmed that he returned to Goindwal, while Dattu, having been unable to gather any followers of his own, he returned to Khadur. So Guru Amar Das got a Bauli. Bauli is what? A deep water reservoir which is dug with 84 steps, as the Hindus believe that in reincarnation in 84,000 lives. According to Guru Amar Das, whoever would descend the 84 steps for a bath while reciting the Japji Sahib of Guru Nanak, and those who recite this Japji Sahib, they would be freed from the cycles of birth and death. So after that, what happened? Guru Amar Das did not consider his two sons Mohan and Mohini as the next successor of the throne, but he made his son-in-law Jeta as the next Guru and renamed him as Ram Das, and the meaning of Ram Das is the servant of God. So Guru Amar Das breathed this last on the full moon day of Bhadon in the year 1574 and the ripe old age of 95. So the key value is non-violence. So what is non-violence? Non-violence is the personal practice of being harmless to oneself and others under every condition. It may come from the belief that hurting people, animals, and or the environment that is unnecessary to achieve an outcome, and it may refer to a general philosophy from violence. So children, this is chapter number 11, the third Guru. Hope you like this video. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.